still don't have my lawnmower back. The caterpillars are starting to munch on this plant. However, we have 1, 2, 3 good-sized melons. As you can see, this guy has been ate up a little bit. At first, I was going to pull him, but then I was like, what's the point if he's not done yet? I'm assuming he's still growing. He sounds really nice and solid inside. And it seems to be that even though the bugs got to it, it still should be fine just cutting off this section here. But he's a good sized melon, y'all. So similar to the other one, this guy actually had a little caterpillar that was trying to nest in here. He munched his way and made this little hole. And then he tried to kind of like silk himself up by creating a little layer of silk. I got him out, and then I just, instead of having it be down here, which is where it was getting nommed on, I set it up here so it could dry it out. And so far, so good. I went ahead and did the same thing with this melon. That way I could avoid possibly having any nom-noms on there. And it's working out pretty good so far. I honestly don't know when would be a good time to pull these. They're starting to split at the top. It's not like a cantaloupe where you know and it just pops off the top. Like, you got to determine if it's ready to be picked. So I think I'm going to leave them. It looks like they're starting to change color, and I'm just going to kind of let them go from there. I'd rather have them be slightly too ripe than be underripe. Now this is all from one plant. So I've got 3 really nice sized melons from one plant. I feel very accomplished when it comes to this. And I'm really surprised that my hops did not take a blow from this one melon plant. Like, it didn't suck up too much energy, and my hops still went insane. Very similar to this side where my pumpkins are. Because I didn't have enough boxes put together, I went ahead and put my pumpkins with my hops. Next year, all these boxes are going to be done all up in here. So it'll be a lot better, a lot more space. And I will definitely be giving the cattle panels to my pumpkins as well. But still, my hops did really well. Again, this is my hops' first year, and they're really thriving in here. Like, everything is doing really well. I haven't gotten any pumpkins out here yet. Again, I think I might be a little, I just really want my pumpkins, you know, like, I want this to be successful, and it looks successful, but I haven't seen any actual pollinated pumpkins yet. If you are a gardener, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Sometimes you plant something and you end up not getting anything, but at least you're learning every single year something new, you know, and then you move forward and you make it better next year. I think I'm doing pretty good though, honestly, with just my 2 boxes. I really tried to take advantage of the space. Now, what would be really cool is if I got enough hops and pumpkin to where I could make a pumpkin ale. Not sure that's going to happen this year, but we'll see. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy it. It's Monday, but you make your day however you want it to be. Y'all got this.